Are you itching to invest but not sure how to buy ETFs? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's your clear and easy guide. First, you need to choose a brokerage. Look for one with low fees and user-friendly interfaces. Think of it as picking a trusty sidekick for your investment journey. Next up, let's talk about the steps to purchase ETFs. Open your brokerage account, search for the ETF you want to buy and select it. Now, placing an order. You have two main options, market order and limit order. A market order buys the ETF at the current price, while a limit order sets the price you're willing to pay. Think of it as haggling for the best deal. Lastly, consider ETF expense ratios and fees. These are the costs of managing the ETF, so lower is better. Compare different ETFs to find the best bang for your buck. Take your time to research and understand the different options available. There are plenty of resources online to help you make an informed decision. Don't hesitate to seek advice from financial advisors or join investment communities. Remember, diversification is key to managing risk in your portfolio. Regularly review your investments and stay updated with market trends. You're now equipped to buy ETFs like a pro. Happy investing and good luck.